Okay. Now we need one more. One more bodybuilding. One more fitness man. عايزين شخص تاني يا جماعة. Hey. We have one here. Let's give him big applause. Down.
Bodybuilding.
Okay, sir. Come here. I think مش هتحتاج النضارة صح؟ ماشي. And you too, my friend. We wanna leave your glass here. Thank you. Okay, now please, mister, can you tell me what's your name? ممكن تقول لي اسمك ايه؟
Aiju.
ايه؟ Okay, Mr. Elia. Today we're gonna change his name. His name for tonight we're gonna be Mr. Muhammad Ali Klai. And you, my friend, what's your name? Basha. Mr. Basha, where are you from? Yeah, where are you from? Russia. Okay, today we're gonna change your name too, Mr. Basha. Give him the name Mr. Mike Tyson! Now, this is for you, Mr. Muhammad. Mr. Tyson, this is yours too. What you have right hand in your hand, it's a banana box. What we call it?
Banana box.
Super. What we call it, Mr. Tyson?
Banana box.
So when we will say 1, 2, 3, you're gonna fight only by banana. It's not allowed to fight by your hand or by your leg. Only banana. Now we're gonna make one test. Let's try. DJ on the mix. 1, 2, 3. Did you drink something before banana?
مصر بتحارب روسيا يا
Are
جماعة.
you sure? Because I see you attack one time. Okay, I forget to tell you something, it's very important.
بس ما تدوس
This is only for fun. Only for fun. You don't have to kill him. Only fun. Yeah, done. Okay, wait. Let's change something from the rules. Because by this way, they're gonna kill each other. Let's send something. We're gonna make it more harder. Now they're gonna play, but they will be blind. We're gonna close the mic. DJ on the mix.